So first you should start with these one finger turnarounds. They sound like this. So we're going like this. And then there's other one finger variations you could do too. So once you get tired of doing that, or once you've learned that, check this one out. So this is on the 3rd string. So we're going 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret. It sounds like this. One more time. And then you've got this other one finger variation on the 2nd string. This starts on the 3rd fret. This one sounds like this. Once you get those one finger variations, try this 2 finger variation. Let me slow it down just a little bit more. You're going to use 2nd finger and 1st finger on the 5th fret and 4th fret, and that shape is just going to slide down slowly. Another 2 finger variation you could try is this one. So same idea. So that uses this shape here. We go the 4th fret and the 3rd fret using, again, 2nd and 1st finger. Okay, and we're just sliding that down, alternating with the E string. Walk it up to B7 like usual, and kick off that blues. All right, and finally we have a 3 finger variation. So this one, it's kind of the same idea. Again, we're doing descending chromatic turnaround where it goes like this. This time we're taking this shape, which is an E7 shape, 4th fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and we're sliding that one down. Now when you get to the bottom of this one, the shape changes to just an E major. So follow this fingering slowly. Okay, and the last thing that you can do to vary this up is to take this shape and you can alternate between going between open, E string, and then the top note of the shape. So you can go this shape and then maybe go to open, that shape, and then open. All different variations are going to sound cool. So there's lots of things that you can do with these turnarounds. Start easy and then build up from there. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.